Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a boat in Lego Fortnite. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly, just simply get a dynamic foundation and place it right over here. Then add another one and add one over here as well and one over here as well. Now just simply place thrusters right over here. So try to place at least 8 thrusters if you can. Take the small balloon and place it at 4 corners first. One over here, one here, one here, and one over here. Now, once you have done that, go to the building part option and add a wooden foundation right over here. And add a switch right over here. So, go to the option and add a switch. Now, again, add small balloons. 2 over here, 2 over here, 1 over here, and 1 over here. And add a small thruster at right over here. Now the small thruster over here is going to be the main thruster that is going to help us move from left to right. Now, once you're done with all of it, just simply start the switch. So add some balloons over here as well. And make it balance. But make sure that it does not fly. So remove few balloons over here, both sides. So it is not drowning, but still floating, as you can see right over here. Now, this is the perfect ratio of the balloon. Now you can arrange the balloons however you like. And as you can see, to change the direction, you will need to destroy the thruster over here. So destroy this thruster, change the location. And now enable the switch. Again, change the location of the thruster. And again, enable the switch. So this is how you can create a boat in Fortnite Lego. So that's it, and thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.